Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your website backups with Acronis easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Acronis account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can see your backup settings. Select the option to create a new backup. Choose the type of backup that you want to perform, such as file or full disk backup. Next, select the specific files or drives you wish to backup. Make sure to designate a secure storage location for your backup. This can be on an external drive, cloud storage, or a network location. Configure the backup schedule according to your needs. You can set it to run daily, weekly, or on a custom schedule. Once you've set the schedule, click on the Options section. Here, you can enable additional protection features. Consider activating encryption to secure your backup data. Select a strong password for your encrypted backup. Next, review your backup plan settings for any adjustments. After confirming everything is to your preference, click on the Backup Now button. Monitor the backup process to ensure it completes successfully. Once the backup is finished, you will receive a confirmation notification. Now, go back to the main dashboard. Here, you can view the status of your backups at any time. To test your backup, select the option to perform a restore. Choose a restore point and select which files to restore. This step ensures your backups are functioning correctly. Regularly check and update your backup settings as needed. Consider running periodic test restores to verify data integrity. By following these steps, your website backups will be well protected with Acronis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.